Can we get a fast charger and that also below 500 rupees? And how will be the quality of that charger? If this is your question, then watch this video till the end. Hi friends, welcome to All About Tech, and today in this video I am going to unbox this Flipkart billion brand quick charger. So let's see that how is this charger and is it worth for the price or not. So without wasting your time, let's start. So let's unbox this. This is the box of this charger. It comes with 6 months warranty. Here it is written that it is 18 watt fast charger and MRP price is 1099 rupees, but I purchased this charger for just 349 rupees. Actually 390 rupees, 40 rupees were delivery charges, so it's okay. 390 rupees. It is really cheap charger and it is made in India, as you can see. Also, you will not get cable with this charger. You have to purchase a cable, or if you have cable you can use it. This is our fast charger and this is warranty card, as you can see. Let's keep this aside and we will see that what else is there inside the box. Okay, nothing is there. As you can see, nothing is there. So this is our charger. Here on the front side there is Billions logo. It is available in two color options, black and white. I have purchased this white one. On the back side, okay, I will zoom in first. So output is of 5 volt 3 ampere or 9 volt 2 ampere or 12 volt 1.5 ampere, and it is made in India. Now let's check this charger. This is Redmi Note 5 and I am going to connect this charger with this phone. Before starting, please ignore the background noise, guys, and I am going to increase the brightness so you can see it clearly. Also here, as you can see, it is showing it is charging rapidly, and I have switched on the airplane mode. I will switch it off now and we will start our test at 2:30. Battery is 74% charged and we are going to see that in 5 minutes how much it will get charged. So let's start. Now it's time to check. Almost 5 minutes are over. So as you can see, 78% battery is charged, means nearly 4% battery is charged in 5 minutes. It's really good thing. Let me focus it. Okay, now 79%, means in 5 minutes 5% battery is charged. I am really impressed with this charger. It is worth buying. Really, it is a good charger. So this was quick unboxing and quick test of this billion quick charger. I think that this is best charger under 500 rupees because it charged nearly 5% battery in 5 minutes. Also, even though battery was 74% charged, if you have liked this video, please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video. Also follow me on Instagram. Instagram ID is AAT_121. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.